হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, আমি শুভেন্দু বর্মন, অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট কমিশনার অফ রেভিনিউ। তোমাদের সকলকে WBCS ভিউ পয়েন্টের চ্যানেলের তরফ থেকে স্বাগত জানাই। পেপার 4টা দেখে নিই। পেপার 4-এ আমার টেক্সট বুকলেট সিরিজ ছিল কিন্তু ডি, এটা 2016 সালের কোশ্চেন। চলো এইখানে দেখো পিএসসির তরফ থেকে যে আমি RTI রিপ্লাইয়ের মাধ্যমে অ্যান্সার কী পেয়েছিলাম সেটা পেপার 4 তোমরা এখানে দেখতে পাচ্ছ। পেপার 4 আর এটা টেক্সট বুকলেট সিরিজ ছিল ডি। পরীক্ষাটা হয়েছিল 19/8/2016 ফ্রাইডেতে। এখানে 1 থেকে 100টা কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সার কি আছে এবং লাস্ট সাইড ওখানে 101 থেকে 200টা কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সার কি আছে। 1 নম্বর কোশ্চেন দেখো, হুইচ ওয়ান অফ দ্য ফলোইং ইন্টারনেট প্রোটোকল ভার্সন ইজ দ্য মোস্ট ডিপ্লয়েড ইন্টারনেট লেয়ার প্রোটোকল? এটা IPv4, বি ইজ দ্য কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার। হুইচ ওয়ান অফ দ্য ফলোইং is the web search engine? Answer is all of the above. 3 number question, which one of the following person invented the world's first digital and programmable robot? Answer is George Devol. 4 number question, spam is related to computer. 5 number question, junk email is also called spam. 6 number question, which one of the following is a set of program instruction that can attach itself to a file, reproduces itself and spread to other file? এটা কম্পিউটার ভাইরাস। P is the correct answer. চলে যাব আমরা 7 নম্বর কোশ্চেনে। 7 নম্বর কোশ্চেনে দেখো, which one of the following is the most common picking device of the graphic application? Answer is light pen. D is the correct answer. 8 number question, the electrical circuit used to get smooth direct current output from a rectified circuit is called filter. B is the correct answer. The frequency band used for radar relay system and television is called ultra high frequency. Answer is B. 10 number question, which one of the following satellites is used to ship to shore and shore to ship communication? Answer is Marisat. মেরিন থেকে ম্যারিস্যাট এসছে, মানে সমুদ্র রিলেটেড। 11 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, হুইচ ওয়ান অফ দ্য ফলোইং হ্যাজ দ্য হাইয়েস্ট এনার্জি? অ্যান্সার ইজ ব্লু লাইট। এ ইজ দ্য কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার। 12 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, সিলিন্ড্রিক্যাল লেন্স ইজ ইউজড বাই এ পার্সন সাফারিং ফ্রম অ্যাস্টিগমাটিজম। এ ইজ দ্য কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার। 13 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, টু অ্যান অবজারভার অন দ্য লুনার সার্ফেস ডিউরিং দ্য ডে টাইম দ্য স্কাই উইল অ্যাপিয়ার টু বি ব্ল্যাক। অ্যান্সার ইজ ডি। 14 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, what is viewed through an electron microscope? Answer is B, structure of bacteria and viruses. 15 number question, when viewed in the white light soap bubbles show color because of interference. C is the correct answer. 16 number question, in electric supply lines in India which parameter is kept constant? Answer is frequency. C is the correct answer. 17 number question, what is the most commonly used substance in fluorescent tube? Answer is mercury vapor and argon. C is the correct answer. 18 number question, which one of the following is printed on a commonly used fluorescent tube light? এটা আমি তো নেট ঘেটে 6500 কেলভিন পেয়েছিলাম, কিন্তু পিএসসি অ্যান্সার নিচে ডি। যাই হোক, তোমরা একবার দেখে নেবে। চলে যাব 19 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, electrician use rubber gloves while working because rubber is an insulator. অপরিবাহী। B is the correct answer. 20 number question, which type or types of pen use capillary action in addition to gravity for flow of ink? Answer is fountain pen. A is the correct answer. Parsec is a measure of astronomical distance. D is the correct answer. তোমরা জানো যে পারসেক, লাইট ইয়ার এগুলো সব দূরত্বের একক অর্থাৎ ডিস্টেন্সের একক। 22 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং ইজ দ্য ফার্স্ট স্টেট ইন ইন্ডিয়া টু হ্যাভ 3G সার্ভিসেস অফ টেলিকমিউনিকেশন? অ্যান্সার ইজ মহারাষ্ট্র। তোমরা জানো যে 4G সার্ভিস প্রথম কলকাতায় লঞ্চ হয়, এটা ভারতী এয়ারটেল করেছিল 4G সার্ভিসেস। চলে যাব আমরা 23 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, ওয়াইম্যাক্স ইজ related to which of the following? Answer is communication technology. Answer is D. 24 number question, which one of the following is not the term of information technology? Answer is D, light storage. চলে যাব 25 নম্বর কোশ্চেন। 25 নম্বর কোশ্চেনে দেখো, which of the following countries firstly deployed the 4G system of mobile communication in the world? অ্যান্সার ইজ সাউথ কোরিয়া, কিন্তু ভারতবর্ষে প্রথম কলকাতায় হয়, এটা মাথায় রাখবে। চলে আসবে আমরা 26 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, which of the following persons discovered the gamma rays? অ্যান্সার ইজ পল ভিলার্ড, এ ইজ দ্য কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার। চলে আসবো আমরা 27 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, কনফার্মেশন অফ দ্য প্রেজেন্স অফ হিগস বোসন উইল জাস্টিফাই? অ্যান্সার ইজ এ বোথ দ্য স্ট্যান্ডার্ড অ্যান্ড সুপারস্ট্রিং থিওরি। ঠিক আছে, চলে আসবো আমরা 28 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, এ গ্যাস ইজ এনক্লোজড ইন এ কন্টেনার which is then placed on a fast moving train. The temperature of the gas will remain unchanged. C is the correct answer. 29 number question, when red glass is heated in dark room it will seem green. A is the correct answer. 30 number question, a refrigerator with its power on is kept in closed room with its door open. The temperature of the room will rise. P is the correct answer. 31 number question, the cooking taken longest time at Mount Everest. 32 number question, what is the function of Microsoft Office Word? It is a word processing software. C is the correct answer. 33 number question, which one of the following computer operating system OS is most commonly used in top 500 supercomputers of the world? Answer is Linux operating system. B is the correct answer. 34 number question, which one of the following application is commonly used to prepare a presentation or slideshow? Answer is PowerPoint. 35, which one of the following disks is used to cold boot of a computer? Answer is setup disk. A is the correct answer. 36, the long distance short wave radio broadcasting uses ionospheric wave. C is the correct answer. 37, which one of the following devices has installed Wi-Fi devices in its system? Answer is A, smartphone. 38, which one of the following television display is working on the principle of semiconductor? Answer is light emitting diode display. C is the correct answer. 39, who had coined the term television at the first International Electricity Congress held in Paris? Answer is Konstantin Persky. B is the correct answer. 40, which one of the following sold the world's first mobile television? MTV1. Clive Sinclair. A is the correct answer. 41, LEC or light emitting electrochemical cell is a different mode of operation of OLEDs, organic light emitting diodes. 42, from which of the following GSM technologies the long term evolution or the LTE is made to enhancement of telecommunication? Answer is UMTS. চলে আসবে আমরা 43 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, which of the following electromagnetic waves is used by Bluetooth to exchange data over short distance? Answer is radio waves. B is the correct answer. 44, which of the following companies launched the 3G mobile telecommunication for the first time in the world? Answer is NIT Docomo, Japan. B is the correct answer. 45, which of the following is a web browser? Answer is all of the above. Google Chrome, Safari, Opera. Google Chrome গুগলের, সাফারি হচ্ছে অ্যাপেলের। বিং একটা তোমরা মাথায় রাখবে, বিংটা হচ্ছে মাইক্রোসফটের। Interisat satellite is used for intercontinental communication. C is the correct answer. 47 number question, in nuclear reaction there is a conservation of mass, energy and momentum. Answer is C. 48 number question, modem is a device used for converting analog signal to digital signal. Answer is A. চলে আসবে আমরা 49 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, particle which can be added to the nucleus of an atom without changing its chemical properties are neutrons. C is the correct answer. 50, the mass energy relation is the outcome of special theory of relativity. D is the correct answer. 51, who firstly demonstrated experimentally the existence of electromagnetic waves? Answer is Maxwell. D is the correct answer. 52, the currency of Indonesia is rupiah. A is the correct answer. 53, silica is amorphous form is used in photovoltaic cell. A is the correct answer. On 6 January 2016, the NHRC issued a notice to a particular state on reported deplorable condition prevailing in the prisons of the state. Which state was it? Answer is Bihar. D is the correct answer. The SAF, South Asian Football Federation Cup, is related to which sport? Answer is football. C is the correct answer. চলে আসবো আমরা 56 নম্বর কোশ্চেন। Which of the following display is not volatile television display? Answer is cholesteric display. D is the correct answer. 57, fat can be separated from milk in a cream separator because of centrifugal force. Answer is D. 58, which one of the following computer is the world's first commercial computer? Answer is Ferranti Mark 1. A is the correct answer. 59, the name of Kunjarani Devi is associated with weightlifting. A is the correct answer. 60, the Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary is in Odisha. 61, Sanjay Dutt, the notable film actor, had been detained under which act? Answer is TADA Act. 62, who is the director of the film Chatushkon? Answer is Srijit Mukherjee. C is the correct answer. 63, what frequency range of electromagnetic waves are used for commercial FM radio? এটা 88 megahertz থেকে 108 megahertz. 64, in the Arjuna Award winners 2015 list, Babita Kumari was awarded for wrestling. A is the correct answer. 65, which of the following states is the largest in USA in terms of land area? Answer is Alaska. A is the correct answer. 66, which of the following is not a main organ of the United Nations? Answer is International Labour Organization. It's a separate organ যেটা কিনা 1917 এ established হয়েছিল। Which of the following is a closed system? Answer is B, tea placed in a steel kettle. 68, who among the following was the Prime Minister when panchayats were given constitutional status in India? Answer is P.V. Narasimha Rao. C is the correct answer. The number of unpaired electrons in Mn2 plus is 5. D is the correct answer. চলে আসবো আমরা 70 নম্বর কোশ্চেন। If the earth was stop rotating, the value of acceleration due to gravity increases. A is the correct answer. 71, Michael O'Dwyer, who had been governor of Punjab in colonial India at the time of the Amritsar massacre in 1919, Amritsar massacre মানে হচ্ছে জালিয়ানওয়ালাবাগ massacre, was shot dead in 1940 by Udham Singh. A is the correct answer. 72, the government of India constructed Operation Rahat to evacuate Indians in 2015 from Yemen. A is the correct answer. 73, the 2015 Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development is awarded to UNHCR, United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees. 74, which one of the following languages is not scripting language? Answer is Lisp. D is the correct answer. 75, who is referred to as the father of SMS, short messaging service? Answer is C, Matti Makonnen. 76, the Celsius temperature is a specific temperature. C is the correct answer. চলে আসবো আমরা 77 নাম্বার কোশ্চেনে। weightlessness experienced in spaceship is due to absence of accelerating force. B is the correct answer. 78, এটা একটা হাফ লাইফ এর অঙ্ক, এটার উত্তর হবে 12.5%। 79, the Almaty Dam is a hydroelectric project on the river Krishna. B is the correct answer. Graham Greene was associated with literature. D is the correct answer. Duma is the parliament of Russia. A is the correct answer. 82, the internal resistance of a dry cell is higher than that of electrolytic cell. C is the correct answer. 83, which of the following is the example of ideal black body? Answer is C, a pinhole box. 84 number question, REM is a unit of radiation dose. A is the correct answer. 85, the working capital of the European Union is in Brussels. A is the correct answer. The Rome Statute The International Criminal Court ICC came into force in the year 2002 is the correct answer. When did Goa become a full-fledged state? Answer is 1987. This is the correct answer. 88. The social networking site Twitter was launched in the year 2006. This is the correct answer. 89. Novak Djokovic is a famous player in the field of lawn tennis. A is the correct answer. Meera Nair is a noted filmmaker. A is the correct answer. 91. Radioactive substance used in dating geological object. C is the correct answer. 92. The 2018 FIFA World Cup is scheduled to be hosted by Russia. B is the correct answer. 93. Which of the following organizations registration had been suspended by the government of India for violation of FCRA? Answer is Greenpeace. P is the correct answer. A famous painter amongst the following was Amrita Shergill. A is the correct answer. 95. Entropy change of a system and its surrounding in equilibrium remains constant. C is the correct answer. Who is known as Periyar? Answer E.V. Ramaswamy Naikar. B is the correct answer. 97. The Dadasaheb Phalke Award, the highest award in India given to recognize the contribution of film personalities towards the development of Indian cinema, was instituted in the year 1969. Devika Rani first পায় awardটা. Who is the father of computer science? Answer is Alan Turing. A is the correct answer. 99. Which country is called the land of thousands lake? Answer is Finland. Land of 10,000 lake এটাও WBCS মেইনে এসেছিল যত সম্ভব 2018 সালে, ওটা মিনেসোটা, ওটা ইউএসএ তে অবস্থিত। 100. Ustad Ali Ahmed Hussain Khan was passed away recently, was an exponent of Shehnai. A is the correct answer. এছাড়াও বিখ্যাত শেহনাই প্লেয়ার হচ্ছে ওস্তাদ বিসমিল্লাহ খান। চলে আসবো আমরা 101 নম্বর কোশ্চেনে। ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়াইল্ড লাইফ ডে ইজ অবজার্ভড অন মার্চ 3। আর এটাও মাথায় রাখবে ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়েটল্যান্ড ডে। ওয়েটল্যান্ড ডে কবে পালন করা হয়? 2 ফেব্রুয়ারি। অ্যাকচুয়ালি 1971 সালে 2 ফেব্রুয়ারিতে রামসার কনভেনশন হয় ইরানের, তো ওই উদ্দেশ্যে ওয়ার্ল্ড ওয়েটল্যান্ড ডে 2 ফেব্রুয়ারিতে পালন করা হয়। চলে আসবো আমরা 102 নম্বর কোশ্চেন। টেনিস প্লেয়ার রজার ফেডারার হেলস ফ্রম সুইজারল্যান্ড। আর নোভাক জকোভিচ, দেখো নোভাক জকোভিচের একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল। নোভাক জকোভিচ কিন্তু কোন দেশের? সার্বিয়া। আর তোমরা জানো যে রাফায়েল নাদাল হচ্ছে স্পেন। এগুলো মাথায় রাখবে। 103 নম্বর কোশ্চেন। দ্য পেশেন্ট ইজ আস্কড টু ড্রিঙ্ক বেরিয়াম সালফেট BaSO4 ফর এক্সামিনিং the stomach by X-rays because X-rays are more absorbed by heavy atoms. B is the correct answer. A small and a large raindrops are falling through air. Both moves with the same speed. C is the correct answer. 105. If a bomb dropped from an airplane explodes in mid-air, C the correct answer. Its total energy decreases. 106 number question. Who has created the high level programming language for the first time for computers? Answer is Konrad Zuse. P is the correct answer. 107. Nights are cooler in the deserts than in the plain because sand radiate heat more quickly than the earth. A is the correct answer. Which one of the following computer scientists firstly used the term bits? Answer is D. Claude E. Shannon. D is the correct answer. 109 number question. Infosys is opening its first overseas campus in China. D is the correct answer. 110. The Silent Valley movement had taken place in the state of Kerala. Is the correct answer. 111. The High Court of Calcutta, formerly called High Court of Judicature at Fort William, was established in the year 1862. 112. The maximum gap between the two sessions of the parliament shall not be more than of 6 months. C is the correct answer. 113. The Man Booker International Prize 2016 has been owned by South Korean author Han Kang for the book The Vegetarian. C is the correct answer. 114 number question. Which of the following is used by mountaineers and the pilots to measure pressure. Answer is aneroid barometer. D is the correct answer. 115. The late Rajmata Bijoy Raje Scindia was the Maharani of Gwalior. D is the correct answer. 116. Raja Ravi Verma was a famous artist. A, B is the correct answer. Sana is the news agency of Syria. C is the correct answer. Which of the following is not radioactive? Answer is zirconium. D is the correct answer. 119. The United Nations Security Council has how many members? Answer is 15. The initial structure of Agra Fort were built by Akbar. Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar. C is the correct answer. 121. Which of the following memories is not non-volatile computer memory? Answer is static random access memory. আর PRAM মানে হচ্ছে প্রোগ্রামেবল র্যান্ডম অ্যাক্সেস মেমোরি। চলে আসবে 122 নম্বর কোশ্চেনে। ইস্ট টাইমোর which is the 191st member of United Nations is located in the continent of Asia. A is the correct answer. Equus caballus is the scientific name of horse. P is the correct answer. 124. Redshift is an illustration of Doppler effect. C is the correct answer. 125. What is the principle by which a cooling system radiator in a motor car works? Convection. A is the correct answer. 126. Hubbard curve denotes global oil production. B is the correct answer. CNG, compressed natural gas, is the other name of methane. C is the correct answer. 128. Fly ash contains all of the above, that is silicon, aluminum and iron. D is the correct answer. 129. Which country has been declared by World Health Organization as free of measles in July 2016? Answer is Namibia. C is the correct answer. 130. Which state government in India has decided to launch a scheme named Green Passage for orphan students for promotion of higher studies for them? Answer is C, Odisha. 131. Political activist Joy Prakash Nayan, who was widely known as JP, died in the year 1979 অর্থাৎ 1979. দেখো এখানে ডেট ইয়ার দিয়েছে, খুব ট্রিকি কোশ্চেন। 132. The second World Internet Conference 2015 was hosted by China. This is the correct answer. 133. On which date is the World Tsunami Awareness Day observed? Answer is November 5. খুব important question. 134. Which of the following book is written by Shashi Tharoor? D is the correct answer. India Shastra, Reflection on the Nation in Our Time. 135. The Jharana Khurd village suffered from the contamination of groundwater with fluoride. B is the correct answer. 136. The Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana is a central government scheme in India to provide free LPG connection to below poverty line families. P is the correct answer. 137. When was the Imperial Bank of India nationalized to form the State Bank of India? এটা 1955 এ। তোমরা জানো যে ইম্পেরিয়াল ব্যাঙ্ক অফ ইন্ডিয়া 1921 এ এস্টাবলিশড হয়, আর স্টেট ব্যাঙ্ক অফ ইন্ডিয়া যেটা কিনা 1 জুলাই 1955 এ এস্টাবলিশ হচ্ছে, অর্থাৎ ফাউন্ডেশন ডে অফ SBI is 1 July. 138. Headquarter of NATO is in Brussels. Is the correct answer. Tarun Bhagat Singh was established for water conservation in the state of Rajasthan. C is the correct answer. 140. Zero waste management was first successfully implemented at Vellore. A is the correct answer. 141. The country that produces highest amount of wind energy is Denmark. C is the correct answer. 142. In April 2016, the Himachal Pradesh High Court issued notices to the union and state government on the issue of declaring which animal as vermin. Answer is monkey. A is the correct answer. 143. Project Mausam, launched by India in June 2014, was presented to an international audience at the 30th session of World Heritage Committee held in Qatar. C is the correct answer. 144. Kalundborg model is followed in zero waste management. C is the correct answer. Average per capita municipal solid waste generated per day in India is up to 500 gram. D is the correct answer. 146. The abyssal zone is a depth of 4000 to 600 meters. C is the correct answer. When for the first time was a 20-point economic program announced by Indian Prime Minister? 1975. এটা করেছে শ্রীমতী ইন্দিরা গান্ধী। 148. The Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve was mainly created to protect coral reefs, seahorses, sea cucumbers. That is all of the above. D is the correct answer. 149. Bioplastic mostly is produced from bacteria. A is the correct answer. Man and Biosphere program was undertaken. It actual answer হবে 1971, that is 1971, but PSC কিন্তু 1973 answer নিয়েছে। Arabari model is representing joint forest management. B is the correct answer. 152. What is meant by disaster mitigation? Answer is taking immediate measures to save life and property. C is the correct answer. 153. Hydrogen from seawater was first introduced in Iceland. D is the correct answer. Racey periwinkle gives the drug for blood cancer. B is the correct answer. 155. The following is not a biosphere reserve in India. Answer is Bhitorkonika. 156. How many member states does the European Union have? Answer is 28. A is the correct answer. 157. The Saraswati Samman Award 2014 was received by Virappa Moily. A is the correct answer. 158. The 2019 Asian Games is to be hosted by United Arab Emirates, UAE. C is the correct answer. 159. WCED, World Commission on Environment and Development report is also called Our Common Future. D is the correct answer. The mangrove forest of India constitute what percentage of the total mangrove forest of the world? Answer is 7%. 161. In which year did the euro, the currency of the European Union, came into existence? Answer is 1999. A is the correct answer. On which river is the Tehri Dam built? Answer is Bhagirathi. B is the correct answer. Arctica is a nuclear icebreaker of Russia. B is the correct answer. Luke Aikins is a skydiver. A is the correct answer. 165. The Constitution 100th Amendment Act 2015 of India relates to land boundary agreement with Bangladesh. 166. Who was the first chairperson of National Human Rights Commission? Answer is Ranganath Mishra. C is the correct answer. The direct and indirect water usage is called water footprint. D is the correct answer. 168. The number of tsunamis are highest in the Pacific Ocean. B is the correct answer. The maximum water logging in the farmland is observed in Egypt. D is the correct answer. 170. Silent Valley movement took place in Kerala. এই কোশ্চেনটা বহুবার এসছে, মাথায় রাখবে। 171. The following compound is not a persistent organic pollutant. The POP. Answer is methane. D is the correct answer. চলে আসবো 172 নম্বর কোশ্চেনে। The following country is a carbon negative in nature. Answer is Bhutan. C is the correct answer. The Nepal's new constitution against which Madheshis are agitating was announced in 2015. D is the correct answer. Sargasso Sea is the other name of North Atlantic Sea. A is the correct answer. এখানে বলেছে wrongly matched pair অজিত সিং ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি, সি হবে কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার। 176. The first eco-city of the world was built in Brazil. C is the correct answer. Basel Convention is dated back to 1989. D is the correct answer. 178. Energy Conservation Act was introduced in the India since 2001. B is the correct answer. Anti-dumping of liquid waste was kept in London. A is the correct answer. 180. Who has been appointed as the chairman of 21st Law Commission in India in 2016? Answer is Balbir Singh Chauhan. B is the correct answer. 181. The 2015 Nobel Prize for Literature was won by Svetlana Alexievich. C is the correct answer. 182 number question देखो. The extinction of dinosaurs occurred approximately 65 million years ago. 183. The conversion of mercury to methyl mercury is brought about by eubacteria. B is the correct answer. 184. Where has Uber opened its first engineering hub in Asia? Answer is Bengaluru. B is the correct answer. 185 নম্বর চলে আসবো. Israel was elected as chair of following permanent committee of the United Nations. Answer is legal committee. B is the correct answer. 186. Which organization has released the report titled Migration and Remittances Fact Book 2016? Answer is World Bank. B is the correct answer. 187. Water blooms are mostly caused by cyanobacteria. A is the correct answer. 188. The largest oil spill so far was recorded from Gulf of Mexico. B is the correct answer. 189. SEBI stands for Security and Exchange Board of India. खूब simple question. B is the correct answer. A severe cyclone in Richter scale has a value of 6 থেকে 6.9. C is the correct answer. So important question. 191. Which of the following is a natural disaster? Answer is Uttarakhand forest fire. D is the correct answer. बाद बाकीগুলো man-made disaster. 192. Who is the new president of FIFA? Answer is Gianni Infantino. D is the correct answer. 193. Sikkim became an Indian state in the year 1975. B is the correct answer. In which state among the below mentioned states was the rotavirus vaccination project first launched? কোথায়? এটা হিমাচল প্রদেশে. B is the correct answer. 195. Amnesty International Human Rights Award 2016 has been won by Henry Tipange. C is the correct answer. 196. United Nations published the World Water Development Report in 2009. C is the correct answer. 197. The species which are extremely sensitive to the environment are also called sentinel species. B is the correct answer. 198. The country with stable age pyramid is Germany. D is the correct answer. Which is not true about Panama expansion project? Answer is C. The expansion triple the canal's capacity. এটা ভুল. 200 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, আজকের অন্তিম কোশ্চেন. দ্য ন্যাশনাল অ্যানিমাল অফ ভুটান ইজ টাইকিন. বি ইজ দ্য কারেক্ট অ্যান্সার. এখানেই 200টা কোশ্চেন শেষ হলো. এই পরবর্তী স্লাইডে দেখো তোমরা 101 থেকে 200টা কোশ্চেন পাবে. আর আমি আরেকবার বলে দিই, এটা কিন্তু টেক্সট বুকলেট সিরিজ ডি এর জন্যই অ্যাপ্লিকেবল, এ বি সি এর জন্য কিন্তু অ্যাপ্লিকেবল নয়. পরীক্ষাটা হয়েছিল 19/8/2016 সাল. এটা পেপার 4 WBCS মেইনের পেপার. পেপার 4. ঠিক আছে, তা বন্ধুরা তোমরা ভালো করে কোশ্চেনগুলো দেখে নেবে আর প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ার খুব ভালোভাবে সলভ করো. অনেক কোশ্চেন কমন পাবে. যাদের আপকামিং এক্সামিনেশন 2020 মেন্স আছে WBCS এ, তারা খুব ভালো করে প্রিভিয়াস পেপারগুলো সলভ করো. ঠিক আছে, আর আমি এখানে অফিসের অ্যান্সার কিও দিয়ে দিয়েছি, সুতরাং তোমরা ভালো করে দেখে নাও.